Hi there, first-time homebuyer. I'm Dr. Emily Roberts of Personal Finance for PhDs. This video is a selection of a longer live Q&A call that I hosted on June 27, 2021. The featured guest is Sam Hogan, a mortgage originator with Prime Lending specializing in graduate students and PhDs, an advertiser with Personal Finance for PhDs, and my brother. In this clip, we address whether graduate students with once-per-term fellowship income can qualify for mortgages, as this is what graduate students at UNC are newly facing. For background information on qualifying for a mortgage with fellowship income, please watch the 2 videos linked in the description.
Some of you may, if you're at UNC, you definitely know, but some of you may have heard that this summer UNC is shifting its fellowship pay frequency from being whatever it was before, I'm not sure, maybe it was monthly, onto a once per term payment. And I know among the graduate students, there was a lot of concern that they would, with this different pay frequency, not be able to be eligible for mortgages, especially, but also maybe some other types of loans that they might want to take out, like a car loan or something. So I brought this question to Sam just to ask, like, have you been able to get once per term fellowship income approved? Is it any different or any more difficult than having maybe, monthly or biweekly fellowship income?
Yeah, this is not a concern. It was late 2019 when I closed the loan. I think they either went to Brown or Rhode Island University. And it was the first time I saw a stipend letter that was, oh, we're going to pay you $15,000 in the fall. We're going to pay you $15,000 in the spring. And then on the summer, you're on your own. We still want to average that over a 12-month period. But as long as we can document that that's how their pay schedule is going to work, and it's going to continue for multiple years, it's nothing to be worried about. And on top of that, UNC and Duke and that research triangle with NC State also is one of our hotbeds of clients, because the market it's not too expensive to buy there. The schools document the income and support it in a way that is very natural for us to approve. So we've seen a lot of success with UNC students and Duke students. I think we have our first NC State student closing this upcoming month with a student who goes to UNC. So I wouldn't say it's anything to worry about. I would just make sure that you have correct documentation of when you're going to be receiving it, how much it is, and for how long it's going to continue for, until graduation or so.
Yeah, thank you. And I'll just add, we would love to see a test case. Hey, someone who's looking to buy a house, who's a fellowship recipient at UNC, come to Sam and, see if we can get it to go through. It sounds promising. Sounds like we hope that there wouldn't be any difference, but let's see if it can actually happen.
If you are a graduate student, postdoc, or PhD, liked this content, and want to ask your own first-time homebuyer questions of Sam, please register for our next live Q&A call at pfforphds.com/mortgage. If you'd like to contact Sam directly regarding your own mortgage, you can call or text him at 540-478-5803 or email him at samuel.hogan@primelending.com. Thanks for joining us.